Hey there, and welcome to another tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe. I'm the founder of BlogHandy, a simple and straightforward tool to add a blog to your website. You can use any website builder, landing page builder, or custom coded website with BlogHandy. Today we're actually not looking at a website builder per se, but we're looking at ActiveCampaign, which is an email and marketing automation tool. What's the beautiful thing with ActiveCampaign is that you can actually create landing pages. So whenever you send out your emails, your readers can click on a link, go to an ActiveCampaign hosted landing page, and they might sign up for lead generation. You might sell them an ebook, you might sell some other sort of service or product to your visitor. And on those landing pages, you might want to add a blog for further help with your conversion. Okay, so I've got my BlogHandy account here in ActiveCampaign, and we have to head to website first. And then we can close this. Then we have to go to pages. And here I've already got one test page, but let me create a new one. So add a new page. So this would be when you set up your new ActiveCampaign hosted landing page. You can choose from any of those templates. I'm going to use the lead generation layout. I click on use this template, and ActiveCampaign will set this up for me. I'll just say my blog, save, and this would be where you set up your landing page, where you add your offer and any information, maybe a download. And let's say we want to add the blog at the bottom of this page. So if our website visitor is still interested in learning more before making a purchase, this might be the place where they read about it. So now first under blogs, we have to go to sections and we have to drag it and drop it here. All right, so now here we have a new section, and then we have to go down and find embed and drag this right into this new section. Okay, you can click on it and you see here, this is where we will put our code from BlogHandy. So now we go to BlogHandy, and on the dashboard under getting started, we have our code snippet. We just copy the first bit of it and paste it here, and we go back to BlogHandy and we take the second bit and we will paste it there. Now we can set it up as ActiveCampaign mentions here under the custom code tab, and I will show you that in a minute too, but it also works this way. Okay, save, and you see it's already loading here in the preview, but let's publish the page. Okay, publish, view live. And there you have it, it's loading. The one thing you have to do, you have to take this URL, go back to BlogHandy, go to settings, and here under the blog URL, you have to paste this and save the changes. And that's it, your blog is working perfectly fine. You can click on it, it's loading your blog posts, the back button works, everything works, your social buttons work, and that's it. If you don't want to add the code here, the JavaScript tag here, you can remove it. It will temporarily remove your blog, and then you can go here under view page settings, and here you can go under custom code, and here you can just put in your code. Click on save, and then we can check it once again, and it's still working. All right, perfect. Thanks a lot for listening. If you've got any questions regarding ActiveCampaign and how to make it work with BlogHandy, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you use a different website or landing page builder or email automation tool, let me know about it, and I'm happy to create a video for you. Thanks a lot and happy blogging. Bye bye.